Welcome back to the lecture series of MCQs. We started solving the MCQs from CBSE 10th chemistry chapters. In the previous video, we started with acid, bases and salt. We solved 20 MCQs from that chapter. Today we are going to start from question number 21. My name is Arpita Banerjee and you are watching Arpita Classes. Let's get started. Question number 21 is, when metal carbonate reacts with acid like HCl in aqueous solution, then which gas will evolve? Metal carbonate or bicarbonate, when they react with dilute acid, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Okay, so the right option will be carbon dioxide. Question number 22, which of the following can be used as an acid-base indicator by a visually impaired student? The student who is visually impaired will not be able to see any change, any color change. Therefore, it has to be an olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator means those which change their smell. Okay. So let us see the option. Litmus. Litmus is not an olfactory indicator. Turmeric. No. For turmeric also there will be a color change. Vanilla essence is the olfactory indicator. Petunia leaves is again there will be color change. So the visually impaired student will able to identify the indicator by the essence. So it will be vanilla essence. Next question is, the correct statement regarding universal indicator is, it is an indicator having pH is equal to 7, no. It gives blue color at pH is equal to 3, no, because it gives reddish color in less pH and bluish color in higher pH, okay. It becomes colorless at pH 7, no. It becomes almost like a green color at neutral solution. It gives red color at pH is equal to 3, this is the right option. Because it gives red or reddish color when the pH is less, and it gives blue or greenish color, dark bluish color when the pH is higher, and green color when it is having pH is equal to 7. A blue litmus paper was first dipped in dilute HCl and then in dilute NaOH solution. The color of the litmus paper will be. So if a blue litmus paper dipped in HCl, which is an acid, the blue litmus will convert into red, and then it is dipped in dilute NaOH, which is a base. So the red litmus again will convert into blue. So the color change will be blue litmus to red and then red to blue. Let us see the option, change first to red and then to blue. This is the right option. So the next question is, the turmeric solution will turn red by an aqueous solution of. Turmeric solution will turn red in basic solution. So we need to see from here whatever options are given, which is a basic solution. CH3COOK. Now this salt, potassium CH3COOK, this is called as potassium acetate. Now this is made up of CH3COOH, that is acetic acid, and KOH. So this is a weak acid and this is a strong base. So this salt will be basic in nature. So we got our answer, that is turmeric solution will turn red in CH3COOK. But let us see the other options also. CuSO4. Now if you talk about this salt CuSO4, this is made up of CuOH whole twice, copper hydroxide, and H2SO4 acid. So this is a weak base and this is a strong acid. So overall this salt will be acidic in nature, right? So this is not the right option. Na2SO4 is made up of NaOH and H2SO4, which both of them are strong base and strong acid. Therefore this is a neutral salt. FeCl3 is again made up of ferric hydroxide and HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, so this salt will be strong acidic salt. Therefore the answer will be CH3COOK. Next question is, which of the following is not a natural indicator? Red cabbage juice is a natural indicator. Turmeric juice is also a natural indicator. Flowers of hydrangea plant is also a natural indicator. So the answer will be none of this. Okay. Next is, an aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. Red litmus converts into blue. That means it is a base. Excess addition of which of the following solution would reverse the change? So we have to add some acidic condition to reverse the change, because it is turning the red litmus solution blue means it is basic in nature. We have to add some acidic solution. Baking powder, NaHCO3, not an acidic solution, it is basic. Lime is also basic. Ammonium hydroxide solution is also basic. Hydrochloric acid is the acidic solution. Next question is methyl orange and phenolphthalein are used for dash purposes. These two indicators, they are used for titration purposes. So the answer will be titration. This is the right answer. Question number 29 is, what is pH? So we know that pH is negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. This is the definition for pH. So let us see the options. The negative logarithm of hydroxide ion concentration, no. The positive logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, no. The positive logarithm of hydroxide ion concentration, no. The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So D is the right option. Question number 30. Which of the following statements is correct about an aqueous solution of an acid and a base? Aqueous solution of an acid and a base, for them correct statements. Higher the pH, stronger the acid. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. So this is not right. Lower the pH, stronger the base. Lower pH, weaker the base. So this is also not right. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. This is correct. Lower the pH, weaker the base. This is correct. So 3 and 4 are the right option. 3 and 4 are the right option. So option B is the correct answer. When the pH increases, the acidity decreases. When the pH increases, the acidity decreases. It's absolutely true. In lower pH only acids are strong, right? A solution turns red litmus blue. A solution turns red litmus blue means it is basic in nature. Its pH is likely to be more than 7. So it is 1, 4, 5, no, it is more than 7, that is 10. Next question is, calcium phosphate is present in tooth enamel. Its nature is, now calcium phosphate is basic in nature, but how do we know it? Calcium phosphate Ca3PO 4 whole twice is made up of calcium hydroxide base and phosphoric acid. This is a strong base we know, and this is a weak acid. So overall any salt which is made up of strong base and weak acid will be basic in nature. The basic characteristic of the salt will be revealed. So here it is basic in nature. Two questions. Question number 34. Antacid contain. Now antacid, in the name itself it is anti-acid. So something which is anti-acid should contain some basic component. But since you know that antacid we consume for acidity purpose, so the base has to be very weak base. It cannot be a strong base. Okay. So antacid contain weak base is the right option. The other options are weak acid, no. Strong base, strong acid, no. So it contains weak base. Which of the following substances can be used to get relief from bee sting? Now when a bee sting, it releases formic acid or methanoic acid in our body. So that formic acid or methanoic acid can be neutralized by some base only. So let us see which is a basic component from the options. Vinegar, no, vinegar is acetic acid. Okay, baking soda is the right option. It is basic in nature. Formic acid, no. And alcohol is also acidic in nature. So baking soda is the right answer. Come to question number 36. Useful substance for disinfecting water is washing soda, no. Common alum is the right option. Common alum is used to disinfect water. Baking soda, no. Bleaching powder, no. The chemical formula for washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O. So this is the right option. Washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium chloride. It is absolutely wrong. Chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride because the chemical formula is where should I write here? CaOCl2. So the chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. So it is wrong. This is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. False statement. Okay. Question number 39. Plaster of Paris can be hardened by. We know that when water is added to plaster of Paris, it is hardened. So water is added. Giving out water, no. Combining with water is the right option. Changing into calcium carbonate, no. Giving off carbon dioxide, no. Last question, which of the following salts does not contain water of crystallization? Blue vitriol. Blue vitriol is CuSO4.5H2O. So this contains water of crystallization. Baking soda is NaHCO3, which does not contain water of crystallization. So B is the right option. Let us see others also. Washing soda Na2CO3.10H2O contains 10 molecules of water of crystallization, and gypsum is CaSO4.2H2O. So it also contains 2 molecules of water crystallization. So the salt which does not contain water crystallization is sodium bicarbonate. Okay. So here we have completed 40 MCQs from chapter 2, that is acid, base and salt. In our next video we are going to start with metals and non-metals MCQs. So stay tuned and thank you so much.